Hi, my name is Illens Dort. I am a speaker, a trainer, and also a leadership and business coach. My purpose in life is to inspire, teach, and also equip people with the tools that they need so they can accomplish their dreams and their goals in life. One of the topics that I address as a speaker or a trainer is this one. It's from the book of my mentor, John Maxwell. And the topic is, everyone communicates, few connect. Do you know your ability to connect with people increases your influence in every situation? Whether it's in a communication with your spouses, communication with your children, communication in your community, or in your church as a leader or as a teacher, at work, doesn't matter what the situation is. It will increase your influence. But what is connecting? Connecting is your ability to identify with people and relate to them in such a way that it increases your influence. A lot of time we say we have met someone and we don't remember anything about that person. Did we really meet that person? The answer is no. Because if you cannot remember anything about them, you did not meet them. You just cross paths. And too often that's what we do. But great connectors understand what they need to do so people can remember them and so they can remember people as well. I want you to know as well that all excellent leaders, specifically in this great country, United States, master these principles and these practices. So I'm going to share with you today 2 principles. One of them, connecting, is influence. As I mentioned earlier, is our ability to identify and relate to people in such a way that it increases our influence with them. Another principle is that connecting is about others. It's not about ourselves. Now, let me share with you. There are 3 questions everyone that you're communicating with has in mind. And when you know how to help them resolve, or when you know how to address these questions for them, as you're communicating with them, as you're connecting with them, I promise you that is going to increase your influence with them. And they will remember you, and you will remember them. Question number 1. So, do you care for me? In any relationship, the people you're working with, they have this question in mind. Do you care for me? Question number 2. Can you do something for me? Can you help me? And question number 3, can I trust you? If we cannot start with number 1, we don't need to talk about the other 2. Even in business, sometimes we want to really shy away from the word caring and loving. And that's what life is about. We are here to care about other people, but find ways to show that by finding ways to help them. However, if we can do 1 and 2, caring and helping, and yet our motives are not pure, they cannot trust us, I promise you that we will not be able to connect with them. So remember these 3 questions: caring, helping, and also trusting. Do you care for me? Can you help me? And can I trust you? As I come to you and to speak to your audience, or also to hold a workshop, I'm going to go over these 5 principles and the 5 practices that all excellent connectors masters. But at the same time also, we will create an environment where people, the participant, can engage with me and engage with another. You're going to feel an energy in the room, and people will be delighted, and you will be delighted that you have invited me to come and speak to your audience. Again, my name is Illens. I'm looking forward to working with you. Thank you.